Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken macaroni. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of elbow macaroni and 1.5 pounds of cooked chicken, shredded or diced. For the sauce, prepare half a cup of butter, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and 4 cups of milk. Finally, have 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, along with salt and pepper to taste. Next, let's get cooking. Boil your 2 cups of elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain it well. In a large saucepan, melt half a cup of butter over medium heat. Whisk in half a cup of flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. Slowly pour in 4 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the sauce begins to thicken nicely. This forms the creamy base. Now for the delicious combination. Remove the sauce from the heat and stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Fold in your cooked elbow macaroni and the 1.5 pounds of prepared chicken. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Transfer this mixture into a baking dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until bubbly and golden brown. Your delicious chicken macaroni is ready. Let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld and the sauce to set slightly. You can garnish it with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for extra color. This comforting dish serves 6 to 8 people, making it perfect for a family meal or gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.